Airsoft GI has led me to some great deals. I wanted to purchase a sniper rifle from their website. The sniper rifle I was looking at was $190, including a scope. I wanted to buy it, but it was out of my price range. But thanks to Airsoft GI's savings, I managed to get the sniper rifle for a low price. The sniper rifle was in the Daily Shockers for $142.50. I was already saving $47.50 on my gun. I was also able to use a coupon code on top of that, saving me an extra $14.25. Since it was over $100, I was eligible for free shipping, saving me about $10. I was able to purchase my sniper for $130.85. Overall, I saved $71.75.
Every time you make a purchase from Airsoft GI, you get 2% of your money back. Thanks, Airsoft GI.